So in this video, I want to talk about a topic which I'm really passionate about, and that is algo trading. And the reason I'm passionate about algo trading is I believe that algo trading is the future of trading. And if you don't believe that, then I will just give you a quick stats. 70% of trades that are placed as of today on the National Stock Exchange are derived from algo trading. So you can imagine that in an undeveloped market like India, if 70% of volume is being generated by algo trading, 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, this number is only going to go up to, let's say, 80, 90 or 95%. So clearly there are some advantages for algo trading, and that's one of the reasons why it is getting so much popular. But what I see is that a lot of retail traders, they are very much reluctant to learn about this new technology, and they are still sticking to their old regiment of manually placing their orders, manually tracking their stocks, and that is creating a lot of disadvantage when it comes to their success. So what I want to do using this video is to give you a very simple, clear understanding of what algo trading is, and I will show you using a live example how algo trading is actually done. Now the motive of this video is to just give you the big picture. We will have a series of videos where we will discuss about each and every aspect of algo trading, but that will come later. In this video, let's try to understand what algo trading is all about. So algo trading, as the name indicates, is algorithmic trading. Now the trading part, I'm sure we all understand, it's buying and selling, but the algorithmic part is what we struggle with. And to put things simply, an algorithm is nothing but a computer program. So the idea behind algorithmic trading is that whatever strategy that we have, whatever rules that we have, whatever stocks that we have, we feed all that information to a computer program, and then the computer program takes care of the execution part on our behalf. Now this may sound very easy, but you need to understand the different components of algorithmic trading in order to be able to do this successfully. So let me take an example. So let's say I have a strategy, and the strategy is very simple. I have a list of some 20 stocks that I track, and all these stocks are in an uptrend. So the idea, the strategy here is that I wait for these stocks to come down to their 20-day moving average, or it can be 50-day moving average. And when they do get there, I buy them, and I'm expecting a bounce from these stocks at the 20-day moving average, for example. And whenever I get a bounce of 5% or 10%, I will book my profit. And similarly, I have also some targets for my stop loss. So in order to execute this strategy in real life, what do I have to do? Well, I have to track these 15 or 20 stocks every day. I have to check which of them are getting closer to their moving average. I have to build some alerts so that when they come to their moving averages, I am placing a buy order. And when I'm getting these alerts, I need to be able to place those orders, because let's say, for example, if I'm traveling, I most likely will not be able to do that. And the more stocks that I track, the harder it's actually going to become, because it's that much of manual work. Now I can take the same exact strategy and I can build an algorithm for it. Now how do I do that? Well, for doing that, the first thing that we have to understand is that algorithmic trading is done by a strategy engine. So the first component of algorithmic trading is a strategy engine. So this is the software, this is the app where we are building our logic. So whatever our logic is, that stocks that are in an uptrend, when they come down near their 20-day moving average, we have to place a buy order for a certain position size. As simple as that. Now the strategy engine, this software, we have a lot of software available to our Indian traders. Software such as AmiBroker, MetaTrader, NinjaTrader, or if you are a little bit more programming oriented, you can go through Python, or if you are a little bit less programming oriented, you can even do this in Excel. So there are a lot of places, and I will take an example using AmiBroker just in a while, where I will show you live how we execute strategies in real life environment. So the strategy engine is where you build the logic. The second component of the algorithmic trading is a bridge. So the strategy engine is for designing our strategies, is for testing our strategies, for back testing all the rules that will be built in this particular engine. But for us to be able to execute these orders, we have to send these orders, send these buy and sell signals from this strategy engine to our broker's platform. So for that, we need something called a bridge. So a bridge, as the name indicates, is basically a bridge connecting the strategy engine to our broker's platform. So that is something we will discuss later in the videos, but as of now, just understand that it's basically a connection between these two systems. The third part of the algorithmic trading is, of course, your broker's platform. Now, as far as the broker's platform is concerned, you need to understand that several brokers, they have different ways of handling algorithmic trading. Some of the famous ones, they charge for algorithmic trading, some of them they don't. So that is something we will discuss later in the subsequent videos. But as of now, just understand that the broker needs to be able to take those orders whenever they are coming from the strategy engine. Now let me take a live example to give you a good sense of how this actually works in real life. So this platform right here, what you're seeing is called AMI Broker. So a lot of you might be aware of what AMI Broker is, but for those who do not know what AMI Broker is, it is a software where you can build your own logic, your own strategies. You can back test it. I mean, there are a lot of things that you can do through AMI Broker. I have in fact made a special video on AMI Broker, what it does. So you might want to watch that as well. But for the time being, what I will like to show you is that how AMI Broker can create buy and sell signals and automatically send those signals to the broker's platform. So as we discussed, AMI Broker is the strategy engine. And a strategy may look a little bit technical. It may look something like this. These are the rules that it needs to follow to be able to create buy or sell signals. So as you can see here, this is a buy signal. This is the sell signal. This is the sell signal. This is another sell signal. So the second component of algorithmic trading is this bridge, as we talked about. This bridge is the one which basically connects the strategy engine, which is AMI Broker in my case, to the trading platform. Now your trading platform can be Zerodha, it can be Upstocks, whatever. But this is the connection. This is the bridge which links these two elements. And this right here is my Alice Blue account, which is my broker's platform. So when I fire an order from AMI Broker, the order will be sent automatically to my Alice Blue account. Let's quickly see that. So let's say I'm bullish on the PSU banks for some reason. I want to place an order for, let's say, Union Bank. So what I will do is I will just hit this buy button, and you can see immediately I get this confirmation that order has been placed and order has been executed. So let's check it out right here. So this is my broker's platform. This is Alice Blue. And if I go to the order section in the completed ones, I can see that the order has been placed. So guys, this is as simple as that. And of course, you don't have to push this button. This will be done automatically when it's doing algo trading on its own. And that is something which we will discuss later in the subsequent videos on algo trading. Now, as you just saw, algorithmic trading is not that hard. All that is required is a little bit of a knowledge on your part to understand exactly how a strategy can be translated into a computer program, and then the computer program will basically take it on its own. Now what happens is a lot of people who do not have a technical background, they struggle with this aspect because they believe that, I don't have any technical knowledge, I don't know how to program, I'm not a programmer, so how can I do all this coding? Now this is something which we will cover in the subsequent videos, and I myself am not a programmer, but I can assure you that it is not that hard. The amount of effort that you need to put to be able to do algorithmic trading is very small as compared to the benefits that you get from algorithmic trading. And one of the biggest benefits of algorithmic trading is the lack of emotions. See, this is something which if you are a trader, you will understand that we struggle with emotions all the time. And the famous ones, of course, are fear and greed. But we also struggle with uncertainty, we also struggle with doubt, we also struggle with our position sizing. So there are a lot of things that we struggle with whenever it comes to trading. But in case of an algorithmic trading, there is no concept of emotions. So this algorithm, this program is basically a robot who is executing the strategies on our behalf. And this robot, for our own good, doesn't feel any emotions. It's not scared to cut the losses. It's not greedy to take a much bigger position size. It basically follows each and every rule right down to the last letter because that's what it is programmed to do. The second and a very important advantage, which is similar to lack of emotion, is the need for discipline. So what that basically means is that all those rules that you created before entering into the trading, so the rules related to the position sizing, the rules related to which stocks that you would trade, you would not trade, what is your maximum loss, what is your profit target. So all those things that are ultra clear to you before the beginning of a trading session, they tend to become a little bit more confusing. They tend to become a little bit more hazy as the day passes, because we tend to forget and slowly our emotions take over, and that is where that discipline becomes a huge problem for successful traders. So this is exactly where I see a huge value of algorithmic trading, because all these rules that you know are good rules, that you know will keep you alive in this market, those rules can be fed into this program, in this algorithm, and there is no way that the program is going to break even a single rule. So having that kind of a discipline that you always dreamed about is possible if you want to go through the algorithmic route. Now the third advantage of algorithmic trading, which I believe is a huge advantage, is the speed of execution. So right now, just imagine yourself to be trading, and let's say you're trading in multiple scripts, especially those who are trading in options. The prices of these options, they move so quickly, right? That by the time you manually place an order and you get that order executed, you have already wasted a huge move in that option. So what happens is that, like, let's say a retail trader is trying to get into an option trade, which is currently trading at, let's say, 10 rupees. By the time he or she will be able to place that order and the order gets executed, this option might have already run up to, let's say, 20-25 rupees. And when they enter at that price, they are becoming very vulnerable to some deep or very steep corrections. And this is what causes a lot of people to take losses. So this lag, this slowness of execution can be eliminated when we are depending on algorithmic trading, because algorithmic trading is 300 times as faster as a human can enter an order, because orders are getting executed within milliseconds, not seconds, within milliseconds. The next huge advantage of algo trading is that you don't have to be in front of your computer all day long. And this is especially important for working professionals, because they have to focus on their jobs. And even though they are passionate about the stock market, they don't really have the time to punch in the order when the opportunity arrives. So for those working professionals, if they create an algorithm, which is not very hard to do, by the way, all it requires is that you do a back testing, you make sure that it is working as per the design, and then you leave it. And everything else is going to be taken care by this algorithm. Now, clearly, algo trading has a lot of advantages, and there are also a lot of misconceptions when it comes to algo trading. And one of the very popular misconceptions is that algo trading only works in a directional kind of an environment, and it doesn't work in a range-bound market. And I believe that it is completely false. See, an algo basically follows a strategy that we tell the algo to follow. So if we create a computer program which is designed to follow a trend and the market happens to be in the range, of course that algo is not going to work. So it is not the fault of the algorithmic platform or the algorithmic trading that it is not working in a range bound market. So what it requires actually is a good strategy which is applicable in the range bound market. So your understanding of the market context is extremely crucial for algorithmic trading to work, which is truth. But it is not the limitation of algo trading that you cannot make money in a range bound market. You of course can. The other misconception which I see a lot of people having is that if you don't have the computer background, if you don't have a technical background, you cannot do algorithmic trading, and that is again false. It's not true. As I said, I myself am not a programmer, and although it took me a little bit time and effort to learn algorithmic trading, I'm very glad that I did that, because now when I look back, I feel that how I was trading without algorithmic trading for so many years. So the advantages, they completely outweigh the kind of effort that you need to do to start algorithmic trading. And to accomplish that, one of the things that we will start doing is that we will upload these simple, easy to understand videos that any retail trader can understand and start doing algo trading. So I hope that this video gave you a good big picture understanding of what algo trading is all about. In the subsequent videos, we will get down to more details. We will talk about each of these elements separately and how they work in real life. And if you have any questions, of course, you can ask that here. And I really hope that you appreciate how important algorithmic trading is, and you will start with that as soon as possible.